So the purpose of this video is to show you how to get the 5 points that you need from your data in order to make a box and whisker plot, and also how to create the box and whisker plot using the Desmos program. So first of all, if we have a set of data, we want to first enter that data as a list. So I'm going to call my list anything I want. Maybe I'll call it L for list, and then I type equals, square bracket, and then I enter in all my numbers with a comma separating them in between. We'll get a good long list there. Oh, I got an 89. Maybe I'll make that an 8 and a 9. Okay, so there's my list, 23 pieces of data in my list. So I want to get my 5 pieces of information that I need for my box and whisker plot. So the box and whisker plot shows the min and max point, and it shows the 2 quartiles plus the median. Those are the 5 data points that I want. I can get all of those on Desmos by pressing the keypad, functions, and there's min, max, there's the quartile button, and the median button. So let's just get all of those, and we don't have to use these buttons. We can just type min, type max, and so on. So for min, I would just have min, or just type it over here, and then the name of my list, and it tells me my minimum element was 0. There it is right there, smallest one. For max, I think I'll just type it, max L, and maximum number is 10. So that's the minimum, the lowest value, and the maximum highest value. Now I want my 3 quartiles, so the numbers that divide the data into the 4 equal parts. So the first quartile, I just type quartile. Now for these, I have to say which quartile I would like. So I want to identify my list as L, and then I'm going to press comma, and then the 1 to show I'm looking for quartile 1. Okay, for quartile 2, I can type quartile 2, or I can type median. It doesn't matter, they're both the same thing. I'm just going to use median. So there's my middle value, would be 5. And then quartile 3, I type quartile, bracket, capital L, because that's the name of my list, comma 3. And there it gives me my lowest point is 0. Then my first quartile is 3. My median is 5. My third quartile is 8. And my maximum is 10. Now I can even have Desmos create a box and whisker plot for me, or I can draw my own with that information. So I'm just going to type boxplot, L, and there it gives me the box and whisker plot. If I don't like the size of it, I can make it taller by adjusting the height. So maybe I can make the height 3 or 4, anything I want, maybe 5. And offset means where the midline is. Right now the offset is at 1. If I want to make it look a little bit higher on my grid, I can just move that offset up. I can even zoom out a little bit to see what's going on. Now I can also do the box plot first, and then perhaps get my minimum number here right from looking at the graph. There's my minimum. There is my first quartile of 3, as you can see here, Q3. Or Q1 is 3, my median is 5, my Q3 is 8, there it is, and my maximum is 10. The reason it's nice to have these options over here that you can type in and get the information is sometimes these numbers are hard to read if they're not exactly on a whole number. So having this as an option to get our 5 key points is very useful. All right, that's how we make a box and whisker plot using Desmos and find the 5 key points from a data set. Let me know if you have any questions.